Hey there, guys and gals. This is my gal, Ashley. And as you can see, it has been a hot minute since she's been in. She's got some roots going on, and she's got some orange left over from last time. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to lighten her base. And I'm going to do this with Oligo Cream Lightener, which I just love. And I spin it in my Eco Heads Bing, and it just becomes like butter. So as you can see, I'm kind of keeping a distance away from the scalp area just because that part will process a little bit faster if I apply it there first, and then she'll get banding and it'll look like crap. We don't want it to look like crap. Even though we're covering it up, we don't want it to look like crap. So as you can see, again, I am keeping it away from the root area, and then after I'm all done, I will go in and apply to the root area. Here's the thing, like sometimes we get really busy and I double book, so sometimes we don't get all of the footage. So after I'm done with this, just be sure to know that I'm going to go in and I am going to apply to her root area. I do think we were rinsing out somebody else. So here I'm going to pre-tone her, and I don't pre-tone all the time, and I did this with Guy Tang 5-minute rapid toner in titanium to neutralize some of that orange. I did have to pull her through really quick too to get rid of some of that orange. And I don't usually pull Lightener through, but I had to this time. So Ashley loves a color melt. And here we are using Socult by Matrix, and we are applying first to the base, and I will go all the way down, and then I will start from the bottom and go to the top. And as you can see, I put a little foil there just to keep the hair from like flipping over on the other stuff and like putting like color on bits that I don't want. So again, applying the purple, and then I made a custom blue and I made a custom green because their green is like Joker green and I don't like it. So I had to make my own. So here we go, and I am applying to her top, and I want to keep a kind of like a shadow kind of look going on. And so I do that on an angle back, so a diagonal back. And as you can see, I leave a little face framing around the front. I'm going to feather in my blue, and then I'm going to come in with the purple. I'm going to feather those together, and I'm going to blend them with my fingers. And I'm going to flip my hand over and put the green on there because that side's clean. And then that way I don't have to keep wiping my hands. So I did like a big deep weave on the top just to kind of get different levels of color in through there. It kind of helps with the blend. And then you just go ahead and apply the blue again and the green. And here is the final result. We had a hard time capturing this one, guys. We went under my awning, we went on the other side of the building, we went on the other side of the building, and I think it came out beautiful. I just don't think it was as vibrant as I wanted, but Ashley loved it, and I think that this angle is really great. And it was a lot more vibrant in person than it came out on this, but I'm really, really happy with the final result, and so is Ashley. So we'll see you guys next time. Hey guys, and if you liked that video, don't forget to check out this one, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the ding dong.